Okay, guys, this is the perfect moment to set the fireworks. Yes, I know. Let me grab the first one. What is he grabbing? Send this one. What does B and F stands for? I don't know, maybe Benjamin and Frida, or I don't know. I'm pretty sure a couple wrote this. Let's burn this candle. Shh. Well, that was satisfying. To me, that thing was too obnoxiously happy. Well, let's go to the next one. Okay, this one is better work. Yeah, because you're obviously the #1 blue engine in the world. Shut up. Please work, baby. I think it's working. I think it's working. I think it's working. I think it's make it. It's gonna make it. It's gonna make it. It's gonna make it. It's going to. Is everyone all right? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm okay. As long as at least we save these rockets. Okay. Come on, Mama, we need to light this up. Oh God. Oh no. Was it lit? It exploded. 4th time's the charm? Yeah. Okay, let's go then. Oh, okay. We bought this for a reason. That's to show sign that there's still hope. But please do it. Never gonna give you up. Firework rocket thing. Why does that thing exist? Why does this? How does this meme turn into a rocket? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the internet's upset. I don't know. Maybe the internet wasn't obsessed with this 90s, 80s, 70s, or whatever era this song's from. Please. Could it be? Is it really? It's going up. It's flying. It's coming back. Uh-oh. again? How is that one possible? Let me see this. I can't believe it just happened. What was the whole reason they're coming back to us? It says this is a U-turn fireworks. So it just makes a U-turn for some reason. It's like a boomerang. We wasted all of our fireworks. Not all of them. Hey guys, what's up? Me and Dougie actually saw some explosions back there. Is everything going fine? What are y'all doing? What's it look like we're doing? We're trying to lit this fireworks. Oh, sorry I asked. Okay, everybody, you need everyone to stand back. Please, Gryffindor. Please, Gryffindor fireworks. Do not fail us now.
Come on! Please. Keep going. I have no clue what's going on. Please, do not fail us now. There's a flying arrow.
It made it! Yes! Alright! It made it! It finally made it! Mission accomplished! However, I did expect more than just one fireworks, but who cares? We did it! Did I miss something? Hey guys, we're back. So what did we miss? Oh, you guys missed out on everything tonight. Oh yeah, follow-up questions. Where were you guys? Oh yeah, we were trying to find some hot dogs. Oh, so did you guys find any hot dogs? Not really. What happened? The reason why we didn't get the hot dogs is because they were sold out everywhere. It was hot on the market. They actually have some deals right and left, here and there. Everyone just bought them like crazy. It was so crazy, they didn't left out a single one. So what I did, I just gave up my losses and decided to go with no hot dogs, but I got some Doritos. Well, that's a guilty pleasure. Yeah, I know. So, because this is the 4th of July, you wanna go inside? Yeah. I was thinking of celebrating by watching a movie. What do you think we should watch? I don't know. Luca? You watch it like a lot of times. And it still gets better. Okay, whatever. Okay, it is. Come on, let's celebrate 4th of July. All right, movie night. Hooray, Luca! Yeah. I'm surprised you guys are really obsessed with Luca. Yeah, I know. Yeah. But still, happy 4th of July, everyone. So if you don't mind, we're just gonna watch Luca again for some odd reason. Yeah. Happy 4th of July. Even though it's not 4th of July right now, with when this video is uploaded, but you know. Stay safe. And thanks for watching. What if Frank destroyed the toilet?